Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this depowder nail design using Manimix and Revel nail depowders. So let's get right into the video. So my nails are already cleaned and prepped. My middle nail broke when I was removing a prior nail design and my index finger has some red dye that's not coming off. But anyway, I just applied some of my Cherael bond to dehydrate my nails, and now I'm applying my own peel off base coat for easier removal. If you want your nails to last longer, you should skip this step. Now I'm using my Manimix depowder known as Garnet Grenache. So starting on the middle finger, I apply base to the whole nail and then I laid my finger into the depowder. I don't really like these mini containers, as I said before in my previous video, which I'll link in the cards, because you can't even dip your finger good enough into the powders, and holding it is an issue because it's really flat. But this depowder is gorgeous, I must admit. If you're buying these depowders, I would recommend buying them in the 0.5 ounces. It makes more sense. Someone sent these to me, so I didn't really have a choice. I also did the same for my pinky finger and thumbnail. Now in a container, I placed some of the red depowder, and now I'm placing some base on my index finger, and I laid my finger into the depowder. Then I sprinkled my Revel Nail Emily on my finger. Then I placed some base on the red area only and laid my finger again into the dip powder. I did the same for my ring finger. Now in another container, I placed some of the Emily depowder and then a little bit of the red depowder and swirled it together to get a marble effect. Then I placed some base on the white area only, and then I laid my finger into the marble mixture. So right here I'm just placing some activator on the red area because I realized it looked kind of like whitish, so that would just help it to look better. Then I wait for it to dry. Then I encapsulated the nails with my Pro Dip Clear Dip powder. I did 2 layers, but I only showed 1 layer. Then I applied activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. So now I'm using my nail stickers. I did it off camera. Then I applied my Model 1's gel top coat to my nails and I cured for 30 seconds. When the nails cooled down, I applied my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're gonna want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!